Hello everyone, welcome back to My Fluency Journey, and this video is about speaking on a random topic for about 5 to 10 minutes. And today's topic is cultural differences I noticed while watching international TV shows. So yeah, so there are two three words which are highlighted cultural differences. What watching international TV shows, what I noticed. So generally, I do not watch international TV shows, but I watch international means American or Hollywood movies sometimes. And I also watch Hollywood series, Netflix series in English languages. Right, I mostly watch English language movies, English language series. Right, for example, The Last of Us, the Squid Game. Squid Game is a Korean series, but also All of Us Are Dead. I also watch some Japanese anime, which is Death Note, and I also watch some Indian web series like Asur, um, Kala Pani, Special Ops. So yeah, I had a variety of experiences about these different type of cultures. So yeah, I will tell you about how international TV shows are different than our Indian culture, how Western culture is different than Indian culture. For example, uh, during I had already watched 3 seasons of Squid Games. So what I so what I mm, so what I so what I so what I see so what I saw about the cultural differences between Japanese or Korean culture and Indian culture is that mm, they are very they are very means there are more problems. There are problems in both India and both Korea, but the Squid Game is all about how money influences everyone, how money influences a single person to kill a lot of persons or a person to kill a person. And I think in India, no one will kill a person just for money itself. I don't know, but I think there are some person who will kill, but it's not in our culture, right? I don't think it's there in culture, but according to their dictatorship, Kim Jong Un, right, something like that. And also, their greeting style is very different than Indians, right? Means they always respect others and they always respect their brothers, their sisters. But in India, we also respect, but yeah, uh, during also watching American shows or US shows or English Hollywood shows, The Last of Us, for example, The Last of Us, yeah, they do not even they don't even respect their elders, their parents, their relatives. For example, I also watched The Modern Family, which is a US show, right? It's literally changed my mind when I saw that how a modern society or how modern family looks like. No one cares about anyone, but the one person is care about everyone, and they are very open to they are very open to expecting new definitions, new culture. They are very they do not they are very adaptable, but Indians are not adaptable as much as US, right? US persons, Americans, because I think the Hinduism is deeply rooted in our grandparents, and there are many beliefs and ethics. Our creeds are deeply rooted in our Indian society, which cannot be changed by any shows or any different type of activities. So, yeah, for example, Bal Viha, Sati Vrata, like it took so much time to change these, right? And there are many other these type of practices like bribery, uh, means like taking bribery from husband, from bride, right? Indian education system is also very, I think, according to me, it's a very poor, and it's not as good as American education system. So yeah, you need to be very careful about. Means yeah, there are many differences. Yeah, for example, the Last of Us show. The Last of Us show how a woman, or a girl can change the entire nation, can change or can learn to survive in the densest or in the very uh, strange way. But in India, women are very, like, feminism is in more in America, but in India, feminism is not there much as possible. Almost generally in any Indian family, men are earning income and female are just doing homework or house are working as a housewife and generally taking care of children and their families, and the only income source of the family was parents, means was father, or means was a man, right, not women. Now it's changing, but I think it will take a decade or 2 to 3 decades to change that viewpoint. So yeah, there are many cultural differences, and also, for example, in India, we have variety of languages, we have variety of festivals, but in America there are only limited languages, limited dialects, limited festivals. So yeah, there are many cultural differences from this viewpoint also. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much.